To show you how to connect to a database and run queries directly on it using AI. So once you're logged in, you can click the connect here and you go to the data source connection screen. We will try to connect with a Postgres. So let's give it a name. We call it DVD rental. Have the connection UI. This is just a local database for showing it. And now we have basically connected to a database. It's then stored fully encrypted. And as you can see, it has pulled the database schema. It never stores any data from your database. It only takes the schema so that AI knows which tables and columns it can use to generate queries. So let's say we want to get actor with ID 13 and his films. We have it generate a join query. And now, since we have connected to our database, we can click the run query here. And it will basically show us the data needed. It will also show us how many rows and how long the query took if you are working to optimize queries. This is basically real-time data for the connected database. And we can also do other queries. So let's say, what is the total sales for each category of films? Okay, and it will generate the query for us. We can then run it. And we see the different categories here: film, games, animation, and so on. We can also use it to generate a chart to display the data. And now we have it here. And of course we can download this in various formats if we use it for a presentation. So we can say total sales category. Another way to utilize the generated queries if you have a connected database is to save it and then add it to a data dashboard. So we just have some testing here. You can go for test 1 and then save it. Now when we go to the data dashboard on the test 1, we can see that we have this here. So we can always go to this data dashboard and look up the code that we added there. So we can add more. So we can say, maybe you want to say, get me the users from last week, or get me all users who purchased something this week or whatever. And again, this is super easy. It's all basically created from only instructing AI what kind of data I want. Then it generates from that. It generates a query that you need. And from there, it basically pulls the data from the connected data source, and it also generates a chart using AI. This basically makes it possible, like in a few minutes you can get all the data insights you need, and you can create the data dashboards that you can go back to and always get the latest real-time data. Thanks a lot, guys. Hope you enjoy it. If you have some feedback, you're always more than welcome to share your feedback and ideas with me.